Hi guys, and welcome back to the farmhouse. It is Saturday and we are outside. It is absolutely gorgeous out and we're gonna get a few chores done. The first thing on the list is taking down that cedar tree that we actually did not know was dead until we saw it blown over. So we tied a chain to it. Granddad's going to get the Jeep and we are gonna pull it over and cut it up. Something I did this morning was I uncovered these low tunnels and gave them some water. I am pretty mad at the cat right now. She is crawling in here and sleeping. I was wondering why the covers were falling, but these ranunculuses look awesome. Hey, over here. Over here.
Everybody go somewhere safe.
You can't. Go stand next to Hunter. Marisol, go stand next to Hunter.
I have this book.
It'll work.
Are you guys excited? Yeah.
Stay in the box, you understand me?
We are not getting out.
You are not getting out of the
But
box.
you're supposed to stay in here.
No, because I'm going to, if he needs help, then I need to be here to help.
Look! Whoa!
Ready? Everybody,
Say it!
Mom says.
What do you say? What do you say when it falls?
Timber!
Okay.
Timber!
All right, now we can get out.
Yeah!
Good job.
Yeah! That was way.
The tree is down. I am now going to get the weed whacker out and clean up some of these beds because they're looking a little rough and the weeds are taking over. So next on the list, gonna get the weed whacker. If you like my Mother's Day gift from last year, I'll leave a link below. It is awesome. We got the weed whacking done and the tree down, and now we are just spending some time outside enjoying the weather on the playground. Marisol is enjoying this swing, and yeah, we're gonna grill some steaks tonight, and that'll be it. Whee! Marisol, say cheese.